This is what your Windows 11 look like after end of this video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to install this Nordic style theme on Windows 11 and change your Windows 11 default look. I'll show you step by step how to install the theme and how to install this icon pack as well, and how to add this blur effect. I'll show you step by step. Let's dive in. Hi, welcome back to the channel. So for today I got really exciting theme for Windows 11. This is a Nordic style theme for Windows 11. I'll show you step by step how to install it. First we have to install this software called SecureX theme tool. Just right click on it and then extract files and then click on OK, and then cut this folder and paste it into C drive. Okay, now we have to create a restore point. Click on search and type here create and then select this create a restore point, and in here you have to select a C drive and then click on create and then give it a name and then click on create. So it will create a restore point. If anything goes wrong, you can revert your system using this restore point. Okay, now we have to ready our system for using custom theme. Go to C drive and open this SecureX theme tool folder. Here you can see this SecureX theme tool. Just right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes and then click on OK. And in here you have to select these two boxes and then click on install. So it will require reboot. I already installed it, not going to install it again. Okay, now we have to apply the theme. Here you can see this Arctic theme for Windows 11. Just right click on it and extract the files and then open this folder. Okay, here you can see this wallpaper. Just right click on this any of them and click on set as desktop background, and now go to this Windows 11 theme and copy this Arctic theme folder and go to C drive and go to Windows and go to resources and go to themes and go to this theme directory and paste it here. Okay, now go to this C drive again and go to SecureX theme tool folder again and right click on theme tool and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. Okay, now in here you have to select the theme and then click on apply. So it will apply the theme. So theme has been applied now. Okay, now we have to apply the icon pack. To apply the icon pack, first we have to unzip this software called 7tsp, then click on yes and then open the 7tsp folder, and now we have to rename it. Click on rename and make it ee2exe and then click on yes. Okay, then right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. And now click on add custom pack and go to your theme folder, and in here you have to select this icon pack and then click on start and then click on yes. So it will take some time to complete the process. I'll be right back after complete the installation. Okay, installation has been complete. Just click yes to reboot your computer. So icon pack has been installed. Here you can see this new icon pack. Now we have to install this software called Windhoek. Just go to its official website and download and install it. Now we have to install some mods. Just click on Explorer and type here Explorer, and here you can see Windows 11 Explorer style. Just click on details and then click on install and then click on accept and install. While installing it, go to your theme folder and here you can see this Explorer mods. Just double click to open it and copy this entire code. And then go to advanced tab and paste it here and then click on save. Okay, now if you want to add some blur effect on it, you can use this tool called Blur Mica. Just right click on it and then unzip this folder and open it and copy this folder and go to local disk C and paste it here and open this folder and click on register and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes and then click on OK. Okay, blur effect has been added. Now we have to modify our Explorer. just go to this release folder again and open this config file, and here you can see this show line, just make it false and then click on file and then save. Okay, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and keep subscribing Tech Vegas. I'll see you in the next customization video.